Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best jumbo cupcake liners is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of baking, but trust me, it makes a huge difference. Today, we're diving deep into the world of jumbo cupcake liners, exploring everything from the best materials to the most eye-catching designs. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, I'll guide you through the essential features to look for, ensuring your cupcakes not only taste amazing but also look fantastic. Number 5. Qiqee Jumbo Cupcake Liners, 300 count. These Qiqee cupcake liners are designed to withstand high temperatures. You can safely use them in your oven and microwave. They are perfect for all your baking needs. Each pack comes with 300 white liners. They are jumbo-sized, with a bottom diameter of 2.2 inches, a top diameter of 3.94 inches, and a height of 1.57 inches. They are ideal for making muffins. We use only superior, food-safe materials. The quality of these liners has been tested and approved. You will not find any unhealthy smells or fading colors with these. Your health is our top priority. These liners are made with the best quality raw materials. We want you to have a safe and enjoyable baking experience with them. Qiqee is committed to providing good quality products and excellent service. We strive to ensure our customers are completely satisfied with their purchase. We hope you enjoy them. What we like. These liners are made with food-grade materials, ensuring your baked goods are safe and healthy. They can withstand high temperatures, perfect for baking and reheating. If you prioritize health and safety in your baking, you should consider these. What people say. Fit great. Well worthy to buy muffins rose evenly. They fit perfectly in my mini muffin pan for making homemade candies. They really elevate the presentation and love the individual portions for gift giving. Number 4. Gifbera Jumbo Cupcake Liners. These jumbo cupcake liners are imported from Germany. They are perfect for dressing up a batch of cupcakes or muffins. These liners are naturally greaseproof and won't fade, deform, or stick during baking. It's a must-have for jumbo cupcake and muffin pans. With a 2.6-inch base diameter, these greaseproof paper baking cups fit jumbo cupcake and muffin pans perfectly. It makes pan cleanup much easier. These cupcake cups are great for every special occasion throughout the year. You can bake treats for any event with these odorless, greaseproof baking cups. It can also hold nuts and candies. If you have any issues with the product, please contact us for a return or replacement. We appreciate the opportunity to learn from your experience and will make it better. What we like. These liners are greaseproof, preventing unsightly oil stains and making your cupcakes look more appealing. The easy-release design ensures your cupcakes come out perfectly every time. If you are looking for a hassle-free baking experience with beautiful results, you should consider this. What people say. This brand is thicker. The cupcake liner is sturdy and does not flop around while you are filling it. And, unlike several other brands I have purchased, the liner does not stick to the finished cupcake. Comes off smooth as a whistle. Fit my pampered chef large muffin tin. They're sturdy and when they are filled 3/4 full they make my filling bake up with a nice round top. Easy to separate and then peel off after baking. Number 3. Caperci Jumbo Cupcake Liners 300 count. These jumbo cupcake liners are perfect for making extra large cupcakes and muffins. They are designed to fit jumbo muffin and cupcake pans, making baking easier. Made with food-grade, grease-resistant paper, it ensures no smells and easy removal of your baked goods. These liners are designed for your convenience. Bake large cupcakes and muffins for any occasion. Whether it's a birthday, holiday, or family brunch, they are sure to be a hit. These cupcake wrappers can withstand high temperatures, up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit. They are safe for use in the oven, microwave, and refrigerator. Enjoy a 12-month warranty with unconditional replacement. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. We are here to help. What we like. These liners are extra large, perfect for making impressive jumbo cupcakes and muffins. The upgraded greaseproof paper ensures a clean and professional look. If you like to bake for parties or special occasions, you should consider this. What people say. First off, I appreciate the size. They do the job they're made to do, and they do it well. They work great for my muffins. Number 2. Gifbera Gold Foil Jumbo Cupcake Liners. These gold jumbo metallic foil muffin liners are perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your cupcakes and other baked goods. They're sure to make your treats stand out. With a 2.2-inch base diameter, these liners fit perfectly into jumbo cupcake and muffin pans. This makes baking and cleanup a breeze. If you're using jumbo cupcake or muffin pans, these Gifbera liners are a must-have. They're designed to make your baking experience easier and more enjoyable. Whether it's a birthday, holiday, or just a regular day, these gold foil cupcake baking cups are perfect. You can also use them to hold nuts and candies. The included plastic container keeps the baking cups in shape and provides easy storage. This helps to keep them organized and ready for your next baking adventure. What we like? These liners add a touch of elegance with their metallic gold foil finish. They come in a convenient plastic container for easy storage and to keep their shape. If you want to add a touch of glamour to your treats, you should consider this. What people say. I make individual meat loaves and these are perfect for that. Sauce does not soak through. As described. Look nice at our bake sale. These cupcake liners were sturdy. The foil was thick. I like that these are larger and can be used in large cupcake tins. I didn't notice any greasiness on them after baking. They performed well. Number 1. If you care jumbo baking cups, pack of 2. These baking cups are perfect for all your baking needs. They are designed to make your baking experience easier and more enjoyable. The jumbo size is great for muffins and cupcakes. It allows you to bake larger treats with ease. These cups are made with high-quality, unbleached paper. They are designed to be both durable and environmentally friendly. The pack of 2 ensures you have plenty for multiple baking sessions. It's a convenient way to stock up on your baking essentials. With these baking cups, you can bake with confidence. They are a reliable choice for all your baking creations. What we like? I am sorry, I don't have enough information to promote this product. What people say. Great size and never a problem with sticking. Baking cups fit my jumbo pan perfectly. These are larger than most muffin cupcake papers and that is good, they make really nice large muffins. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.